This is a video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the adware type application called RootCompact. RootCompact is the adware from the adload family of infections attacking Mac computers these days. RootCompact adware mainly targets Safari browsers in Mac computers, even though other browsers may also be contaminated too. RootCompact adware may periodically cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. If this RootCompact was somewhere or another installed, also you will keep receiving the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if it was installed into your Mac computer, check your applications, find this RootCompact, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching the computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.